Good evening, everyone. How is everybody doing? Um, yeah, for those of you who do not know, um, today is my first day, is day one of the 21 days juicing challenge, and yeah, right now it's what time is it? It's 20 to 9 in the evening. So I just completed the day. So, what was my intake today? Today, my intake was alkaline water. So, this is made out of just fluoride free water, um, lemon, half a lemon, and 1 foot of cucumber. So, what I've done today is I've drank right now. This is like I've drunk like three glasses of this. So I drank one in the morning. The second one I drank in the afternoon around 1 or 2 or something, and the third one I drank around 6 or something. And this is going to be the fourth glass of water that I'm drinking today. Yes. So how do I feel? No, wait, before I talk about how I feel, let me talk about my activities of the day. So, what I did today, I didn't, let me start by what I did. I did some breathing exercises. So, I didn't just drink water, but I also like consciously did breathing exercises to energize my body as well. And then, yeah, of course, doing some research on trading and things like that. You guys know how it goes already. And I also like went out a little bit, and yeah, in terms of how I feel really, really good because normally the first time when I did this, uh, the first day I was like, wow, I'm very, very hungry. I just wanted to grab everything to eat. But today it's like really good. Like I don't really feel like eating. My nose works excellent because all the food that I'm making downstairs, like I just pick up all the scents directly. But in terms of my mind, I don't feel like eating. My mind is not like the little voices are not like, hey, you need to eat something and blah blah blah. So I feel actually really, really good. I feel like I have energy to like even run or dance or whatever. Um, so yeah, in terms of feeling generally, I'm feeling good. I'm not feeling hungry or anything. Um, yeah, so for tomorrow, I'm looking forward to continue this 21 days challenge. Um, by the way, the first 3 days, I'm only going to drink this water. Well, not only this, of course. Tomorrow, I'm going to make a new one, or actually tonight, because actually the way that we do this also is like you wanna put the cucumber and the lemon in here, and you want to let it to sit for 6 to 8 hours before drinking. That way, all the substances are like really, really mixed within the water. You want to give it some time. So for the next 2 days, I'll be focusing on just drinking that. I'm not gonna drink any juice yet. The reason for this is to give my system the opportunity to flush out all these other things that are in my body, and it's at the same time washing. The water is washing my system. Yeah. Okay. Another bonus thing before I end this video, so I'd like to show you guys this. This is uh, this is called a pH tester. You can actually buy this in the oh, I fell down. You can actually buy this like in the um, pharmacy or something. It doesn't really cost a lot. So I bought this like 2 days ago. And actually what this does is like you can use this to measure the pH the pH level of your body. So you can measure it with your saliva, so your spit, and you can also measure it with your urine. So what you want to have is you want to have a result of between 7 and 10 or something, you know, because when I did mine, so I did a test before starting this challenge, and I had 8, 9. My results were between 8 and 9. So what I actually did was, yeah, I tested, like, so the way actually it's done is like you have this strip. So what you need to do is you're gonna open it up, and you cut a little bit of a piece. So what I did was I had like three pieces of this. So the first piece, I used it to just measure the water that I normally drink, just to give me like a reference point. And the second one, I did it with saliva, so I had to spit like in something and then dipped it in there for some time. And the third one, so I took a urine sample and I dipped it in there as well. And then I took all the three and put them next to each other, and I just looked at the color, like the intensity of the color, to see like how far how far green or how far, yellow it was. And for me it was between 8 7 8 and 9. So it was more between 8 and 9. So yeah, for if you have time, this is something I recommend you guys doing whenever you have time, just once in a while. Check Just check your body, check the state of your body. This has like some really really very simple to do tests, just to know what state your body is. Of course, you have to do a little bit of research on the pH levels, but it's not like, wow, it's not like very very difficult or something. If I have time, I'm going to like outsource some information uh, on the pH level of the body. Um, but just know, like, for now, when you're doing the test, you want to have your results between 7 and 10. Yeah, if your result is below that, then you have to start working on raising those vibrations. So yeah, guys, this concludes my first video log for the 21 days challenge of juice feasting. I hope you guys had some value out of this video, and yeah, I'll keep you guys updated on how things are going. For the time being, this is day one. My name is Victor, aka Victor's Legit, and yeah, for all the other guys, all of you guys who are also doing this as well, um, I'm looking forward to hear from you guys how things are going. How is day one? How are you looking forward to complete this? I'm so charged up. I'm full of energy right now. Not just because I'm doing this, but just also because I have an army of people who like just joined to do this, to like raise their own vibration. So only that deed alone is giving me energy, and that's why I can really sense the difference between the first time that I did this and now. So yeah, I'm really really excited for these 21 days. Let's see how it goes. Of course, we already know how it's going to go because that's what we're focusing on. With that being said, guys, have a great day. Stay well, stay blessed. Wholeness and balanced vibration. Always keep elevating yourself. One love. I'm out. Videos legit. Yo.